I recently purchased this beautiful Citizen Promaster Navihawk AT Eco Drive Pilot Watch, but unfortunately the strap is huge, and unfortunately it's not adjustable where you can tighten it so it fits easily like this type of strap system. So it looks like I'm gonna need to adjust this and cut some links out, but fortunately I have the BYNIIUR watch repair kit with me. Wow, this is a nice carry case. So I owned a watch repair kit before, but I have no idea where to put it because obviously it's not in a nice case such as this. So you can store everything after you're done. So this whole set consists of 155 pieces, all you need. Looks like instructions manual in here. So there are a lot of pieces. I don't know a specific name for each, but I'm gonna list it out. All right, so the tools that you see are made of high quality solid 304 stainless steel. You have this tweezer. You got some push pins right here. I think this is one of the watch back opener. Okay, see that right there? Just show you. Okay, and then got some more push pins right here, various sizes. And it looks like this is called the is this the spring bar tool? That's the case opener, right? And then you got some more tools right here. Additional pieces, additional pins. It looks like a couple of pushers. Here we go. This diagram explains a lot better. Okay. So those are the pieces that you see. I believe that's called the watch dial holder. That's the watch band holder. Highly suggest reading the instructions guide. So I have all of the tools that I need right here for a complete set, whether it be replacing the battery of the watch, replacing the watch bands, which I'm going to do with my brand new Citizen watch, or simply replacing the straps too. So it doesn't matter what type of watch you have, an electronic one, a manual dial with different strap systems. This is the complete watch repair kit. So let's put it in action. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out visually how many straps or links I want to remove. So let's go ahead and start out small. I'm going to remove one from each side. All right, so I'm going to use one of these small push pins to press here and here to remove the original clasp. Okay, so I'm going to start out here. I believe simply press in here. See? Here, that's better. Turn on some light. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to remove these pins from here. So like I mentioned, I'm going to start off small. I'm going to cut one piece right here, one piece right here. I probably need more, but I just want to play it safe because it won't be a reversible process if I cut too much. Nice clean cut right there. So once we have those cuts, we need to use a pin pusher to remove these pins because this needs to go in here. Okay, so Using this is very easy. You simply line it up. And this has an adjustment wheel so you can increase the elevation so it's lined up like that. You see it pushing out at the other end. Or another push. Comes out easily like that. So after having to take out 5 links, yes, 5. Let's see if this finally fits. Supposedly, when you have a watch on, it's not supposed to slide down your wrist. And finally, I have it where it's sitting steady. Alright, so I have this older Citizen chronograph watch, and I want to replace the battery, so I have to open the case back. So I'll be testing out these 2 tools. So I'm positioning my watch on this back case opener, and I am going to twist this to tighten it so it acts like a clamp. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay, that looks like it's stable in there. So the next step is to use this tool. But in order to use it, I'm going to have to choose the proper tooth. And looking at the shape of my watch back, I think this shape, the hexagon shape, should do. This acts as like a kind of like a screwdriver, so as I turn it, it will catch on and move it. Yeah, that looks like it would fit. So I have 3 of the same shape. Basically, I'm just going to screw it to the hose. Okay, and you can adjust the size and the orientation of these tips so it aligns with your watch. Okay. Alright, so I have it adjusted so it touches all 3 points of the notches. 2 points is going to be hard to work with, so we'll see how this goes. There, touching all 3 points. Oh, my bad. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Oh, see? It's coming loose. Ah, I had it backwards. No wonder. There you go. I have access to the battery. So fortunately, I have some replacement battery here. I'll pop out the old one. You know what? Let's use one of these tools. Let's get it surgically done. So there's actually a pin release right there. Okay. You don't want to overforce it because you might break it. Alright, let's put the new one in. Slide it in. Yep, that's in place. Let's put the cover back in. Line it up. Tighten it righty. Right. Tighty. Righty tighty. Alright, that looks like it's tight, and to confirm that it's working. Oh yeah, it took a few seconds. There you go. I think we're starting up. So this is what this tool and this little mallet is for. Is to remove the pins from the straps. Okay, next time I'll know. What a truly useful and complete watch repair kit. I'm so happy now I can finally enjoy my brand new Citizen Promaster Navihawk AT Eco Drive pilot watch. Isn't it fashionable? So if you're looking for a complete set of watch repair or adjustment tool, this is the perfect one. No matter if you are simply replacing a battery, adjusting a band, or just doing some watch repairing, doesn't matter if it's for analog, digital, or the latest smartwatches. Definitely give the BYNIIUR watch repair kit with a complete 155 pieces a look.